Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you're posting a GIF on Instagram stories and it's not like moving. So if you just select the GIF from your camera roll to your Instagram, it's not going to move, as you can see. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to just randomly take a picture of something, go to your photos of the GIF. You're then going to copy it. So press copy photo, and then you're going to go back to Instagram. Then you're just going to basically go to the text and paste it, and voila, as you can see, your GIF will be there. If it's like a PNG GIF, you can even change the color of the background if you'd like to. I'm just going to change it to this yellow, like so. Now you can post the GIF as it is. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!